In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of product variant options in Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the Home dashboard, head to Products and open the specific product you want to edit. You'll land on the Product Details page. You might see sections like Pricing, Inventory, SKU, and Shipping near the top. Those are fine to leave, as is for now. Scroll down until you find the Variants area, and open it. Inside Variants, locate the Options card and choose the option you want to reorder, such as Size. Click to open it so you can see the list of values. In the Default Entries view, arrange the values into the order you want customers to see on your storefront. Put them in a logical sequence that matches how shoppers typically choose, for example, from smallest to largest. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the new order. If you also need to tweak the label itself, you can adjust the option name right there. If you want to create or explore additional options, use Add Another option within the Variants area. Shopify offers quick starters to help, which you'll find under Add options like Size or Color. When you open that, you can browse categories such as Clothing Features, Care Instructions, Neckline, or Sleeve Length type. Open any of these to preview the suggested values. If they don't fit your product strategy, click Discard to back out without saving. You can repeat this exploration as needed. Open a category, review the defaults, and either click Done to accept or Discard to exit. If you ever land in an editor you didn't mean to use, such as a rich text field, just discard those changes and return to the Variant section. As you refine your options, keep your primary goal in mind: presenting variant choices in the clearest order for customers. That might mean reordering sizes, arranging colors from light to dark, or placing popular options first. Consistency across similar products makes the shopping experience feel familiar, so consider mirroring the same order across your catalog. After adjusting an option's entries and clicking Done, give the option name a quick review to ensure it matches your storefront's tone and is easy to understand. That's the process. Open your product, go to Variants, edit the option, reorder the default entries, and confirm with Done. Use the option suggestions if they help, or discard them if they don't. With a few thoughtful changes here, your product pages become more intuitive and faster for shoppers to use.